मेरा पूरा व्लॉग में सिर्फ रेस का। Hey guys, so this is my third day here in Shillong and probably fourth day. So we are going to double-decker route bridge now. So we have to there is 3,500 steps we have to take to reach the route bridge. So we will start at probably 8:30 and let's see when we can reach. I'll show you the beautiful roads and everything we see over here. So yeah, that's it. See you guys in a while. So we are a group of 3.
We are a group of 3 because the others were holding us back.
Yeah, exactly. They're taking too many selfies and
Too many selfies, too many everything.
yeah. So we are going.
So we are just gonna,
Yeah. So let's go. This is the first bridge. Where is the bridge? Okay.
Bridge is not up.
Yeah. Then the bridge is.
The bridge is not working.
Why?
I'm guessing it's not strong enough to carry people.
Oh, you're here.
It's not strong enough to carry people like kids, like this person here.
Never mind. So we have reached the road bridge and Hey guys.
Hello.
So we have finally reached the road bridge. So this is the first one. This is not our final destination. Yeah, there will be a double-decker route bridge. So we still have to go, and you can look at our faces.
We are really tired. It's been really strenuous so far, and there's a lot more of the journey to go.
Yeah, so without wasting any time, let's go. Bye bye. मेरा पूरा व्लॉग में सिर्फ रेस का गांड है. हाँ, सिर्फ तेरा गांड है. Everyone, so we have reached the double-decker route bridge. Yes. Oh, so this is it, and here are all the videos. दो घंटा बाद देखाबे. Now we are going towards Rainbow Falls, and there are some other bridge also. So let's go, and the roads are like this here. हर वीडियो में सिर्फ रेस का गांड. Race with his ass cracking videos. Dude, this road is very nice. Golden City. वो देखो मोगली जा रही है. फूल खिला है. मोगली चले इससे.
Just behind us,
Mr. Bean. So this is our squad, and we are leading this trek
expedition.
Yes, and we are going to be the winners. So let's go. So this is another bridge. Wow, the view is amazing. That. So we are somewhere at Rainbow Falls and we are dead tired, but I'll show you the view from here. It's beautiful, man. finally at Rainbow Falls. Yay! Woo! And this guy is
Team Alpha.
भाई कच्चा नहीं. अरे वाह. पीछे कौन है बंदर? This is so beautiful. So this is called natural fridge.